So while we're talking snow, that's not the case everywhere. Let's send it out to Nicole Valdez in New Jersey, talking flooding.
Hey, Emily, unfortunately, things only going from bad to worse here in communities like Little Falls, New Jersey. Northern Jersey has seen its fair share of major flood events over the last few weeks. And today, really a deja vu moment for so many who live along the Passaic River. Take a look at the home behind me. Underwater, some areas of it at the very least, as the Passaic River reaches major flood stage, close to 10 feet. We're looking at river levels right now, and we're still expecting this river to crest later on this evening. A very serious situation for people. Actually, we had earlier today local police and firefighters circling this neighborhood, urging neighbors to pack up and leave, asking them to evacuate, saying flooding is imminent. Take a listen to that message.
Attention, flooding is imminent. Evacuate the area now. Please move all vehicles to higher ground. No parking will be...
Neighborhood recognize this threat. They unfortunately have seen it time and time again. Earlier today, we noticed dozens of homes lined with sandbags. Those neighbors trying to do anything they can to protect their homes, even hoping sandbags will make a dent in the situation. But earlier, we already started to see the beginning stages of that flooding as water started to creep onto roads and inside homes, even flood basements here. Now, earlier today, Governor Phil Murphy visited this community, walked alongside local officials, including the mayor, who explained to them, or to him, really what they expect to see as we really await this river to crest today. But they also talked about really that threat continuing into the weekend as we are looking ahead to the forecast of another inch or two of rain expected to fall here in the next several days, which is not going to help the situation anymore for communities like Little Falls. We have had situations where families have been trapped in their home or had to be rescued by high water vehicles as that water really just became far too much to bear. So it's really a deja vu moment for those who live across northern New Jersey. And unfortunately, the worst is nowhere near over, Emily.
All right, Nicole, thank you so much for that.